Yes, hello everyone, welcome back to our channel students. So in this video we are going to talk about first concept in first PU chemistry, that is some basic concepts of chemistry. According to Karnataka PU board, this chapter has a weightage of 8 marks in total. Clear? So they will ask 1 mark, 1 question. So 2 mark there will be 1 question, and 5 mark there will be 1 more question. Clear? So totally this chapter has a weightage of 8 marks. That means this 5 mark question can be split up as 3 plus 2 or 4 plus 1. So there will be 1 mark 1 question, and 2 marks 1 question, and 5 mark 1 question. That 5 marks question can be split up as 3 plus 2 or 4 plus 1. Clear? So now let us look at the content of this chapter, what we are going to study in this chapter. First of all, we'll get the importance of chemistry, what are the advantages, what are the uses of chemistry, why do we need to study chemistry, and followed by the classification of matter. You know, we have studied regarding this matter, solids, liquids and gases, and in this first year PUC, we will have one more type of classification, clear? And SI units, standard units, and scientific notation that we call it as exponents, clear? Exponential notation, and the significant figures, and it is followed by the various laws of chemical combination and molecular mass and molecular mass. We have some numerical problems in this concept, and it is followed by moles, the concept of mole, it is very important one, and the molar masses, and empirical formula, and how do we write the molecular formula, clear? And even we do have some numerical problems in this concept also, and we will end it up with some stoichiometric calculations, clear? So now first let's go for the first one, importance of chemistry. So first of all, what is chemistry? How can we define chemistry? See, many scientists have given their own definitions for chemistry, but only few have been fixed into this one. Okay, chemistry is a branch of science, which deals with the properties, composition of matter. Yeah. So in chemistry we'll be dealing with matter, because matters are anything which has mass and occupies some space. Whatever we see in and around us, all are matters. Clear? They may be solid, they may be liquids, they may be gases, but they are matters itself. So we'll be dealing with this properties, composition regarding this matter. This is the one kind of definition, and you can even have chemistry deals with the interaction of atoms and molecules and their transformation. Clear? So we can define in this way also. There is no exact definition for chemistry. Clear? Some scientists have defined in their own way. So chemistry, in this definition, chemistry deals with the interaction of atom and molecules. Atoms, the minute particles. Till now, we'll be having some little information regarding atoms and molecules. They are the minute, smallest particle of an element. Clear? So I will discuss regarding this in a deeper way. So we'll be dealing with atoms, molecules, and their transformations. Okay, this is also a way of defining chemistry. Now the question is, why do we need to study chemistry? What is the need of studying chemistry? Why to study chemistry? Why do we need to study chemistry? It is because of its huge number of applications. See, whatever we see in and around us, they are matters, and we will be dealing with the matters in chemistry. For example, you are wearing gold ornaments that belong to chemistry, and a diamond, you are wearing diamond in your daily life. Clear? So it is very, very costly. So diamond belongs to the carbon compound, it's in carbon compound, and carbon belongs to chemistry. And for example, you'll be using soaps and detergents in your daily life. Soaps and detergents in your daily life, that belongs to chemistry. And also you have very several options, advantages, that is plastics, rubber, and you have huge number of applications. Because of these applications we are going to study chemistry. Clear? So out of all these things we have shortlisted the 5 important uses or advantages of chemistry. There are advantages of chemistry. Yeah. So agricultural field is one of the most important and most necessary field in each and every country. So our chemistry is helping agricultural field in the form of fertilizers, fungicides, pesticides, what we use for maintaining the quality of crops. These fertilizers, fungicides, and pesticides are the chemical compounds. Here, so we need chemistry in that field of an agricultural field also. And the second one is in the field of pharmacy. Clear? So there is a huge application of chemistry in the field of pharmacy in order to get up the growth health rate. Clear? So in the field of pharmacy we have tax, we have n number of medicines, and in that Taxol and cisplatin are used in cancer therapy. Are used in the treatment of cancer, Taxol and cisplatin. And we have one more AZT, it is known as azithromycin. Azithromycin, it is used in the treatment of AIDS patients. So there are huge applications in the field of medicines, and these are just 2 examples in this case. And the next one, what we use is the materials in the construction materials. For example, the cement, furnitures, paints, and all these are the chemical compounds. Clear? And the next one is, using of petrol and diesel causes air pollution. We all know that. So nowadays we have compressed natural gas as a substitute for petrol and diesel. CNG, it is compressed natural gas. Compressed natural gas, we have this as a substitute for petrol to avoid air pollution. Clear? So we are using this one, compressed natural gas, as a substitute for petrol and diesel for automobiles in order to reduce the air pollution. Clear? This is one of the most important applications of chemistry. And also when you use the soaps and detergents. Soaps and detergents, what you use in your daily life, are chemical compounds. So these are the only few applications of chemistry. The first one, as in the field of agriculture, we have fertilizers, fungicides, and pesticides. They are the chemical components. And we have in the field of medicines, Taxol and cisplatin. Clear? So Taxol and cisplatin, they are used in cancer therapy, and we use azithromycin, which is used in the treatment of AIDS patients, and the building construction material, that is the cement, furnitures, paints, they are also the chemical components. And we have the compressed natural gas, which is used as a substitute of petrol and diesel to avoid the air pollution. They are the chemical components. And also in daily life use soaps and detergents also. They are also chemical components. Clear? So in this video, we are going to end up with this concept, the importance of chemistry. In upcoming video, let us discuss about the next thing. Clear? Thank you, students.